Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. It's super weird to film myself rather than my hands making, but this Monday was our 3rd year wedding anniversary and it's also Campbell Workshop 3rd anniversary. So thank you so much for supporting us all this time and choosing us to learn making your favorite flowers. To thank you all, we would like to offer you a 30% off our DIY kits on our official website. Use the code HAPPY3 before you check out the swap. I would like to also use this special opportunity to give you our latest update. If you have followed us on our Instagram and Patreon, you might already know that we were in Hong Kong last month and to visit my friends and family after 5 years. And we even have our 2nd wedding celebration for my Hong Kong relatives. It is a very special and very fun experience for both of us. And I was so grateful that my parents and my aunties have put this wedding together so swiftly because we only give them a notice like for a few months before we go home. Apart from I haven't been home for years, another reason I have to went back is because I'm pregnant. And currently I am at my 6.5 months and my due date will be around late June. And right now we're just preparing ourselves to welcome our little one and enjoy every moment that my baby is kicking and moving inside me as well. At the same time, I'm working very hard on stocking our flower tutorials for the coming months so I can still maintain a very regular schedule. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. Comment below if you have any questions. I will try my very best to answer them. And also don't forget to redeem your 30% off discount on our website. I'll see you in our next tutorial.